Alright, pulling up to this cross street here up near Troon. Gentleman said he hit a giant pothole and lost a tire and wheel on his BMW. Well, not lost the wheel, but said he cracked the wheel, he thinks. But we will take a look, see what we can see. Pretty sure he's riding with me, so we're gonna preemptively move that and unlock. I always forget. Alright. How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
Thanks for getting out here. I forgot to confirm how much the fee is, and if I can just put it on a credit card.
Yeah, we can put it on a card. I'm not sure just yet because I got to type it in all into the app, and then it kind of generates it for me, but
Okay.
yeah. It's not going to be too crazy for what it's worth. It's only going a couple miles, so.
All right, cool. And then here's the key. I'm assuming Discount Tire's like a key drop.
They don't have one anymore. They closed them all up because they were having liability things.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you have to either bring the key. Very nice. Bring the key back, or you can stash it somewhere in the car, on the car somewhere. It's kind of up to you.
Oh, put it, like lock it, but put it on a wheel or something?
Like, I always stash them on top of the tire. People don't usually mess with them, especially in Scottsdale. I don't see it being an issue.
Okay, yeah, go ahead and lock it, and then just put it on whatever tire.
Okay. Are you not going there with me? I just want to make sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you go ahead and take it.
Okay, no worries. Let me get pictures and all that. We'll get the VIN. Do you have roadside on the BMW?
Nope.
Okay, I was gonna say.
Who knows? BMW probably has something.
They might.
Plastic.
Okay, I'm gonna put the VIN and the plate on there either way, just in case you do, you can turn it in and get your money back.
All right.
Yeah. A lot of people pay for it on their insurance and don't even know they have it.
Oh.
Because it's only like $6 to $12 a month.
Okay.
Yeah. Washington. AYZ 7096 WA, I think, yeah. Let's see. All right. And then, oh, it's this one? I take it? Okay, I just want to make sure. I pull up, I'm like, oh, this is the flat one? They're like, no, it's the other side. I'm like, well, guess what? Both are flat. Yeah. I'm like, oh, shit. Okay. Do you need all this right now?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna drive it up right now. Yeah, you're good. I gotta move my winch and then we'll do that. Careful, don't back into traffic.
I can take those off whenever you want them off.
Yeah, I'm good to go now if you are.
Okay.
Yeah. Didn't want to rush you, wasn't sure.
Yes, no problem.
All right.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. I got worried when he was calling about 2016 because these don't go into neutral unless they start, but it's a flat tire, so obviously I don't have to worry about that. All right, with the AC, how do we turn that off? Jesus. I gotta be able to hear what I'm doing. Let me roll that window up. All right. Tires look old. Oh, they're only from 22. Gracie. Just so we're all on the same page, they're probably gonna want you to do at minimum both fronts. Just because the sidewalls on these ones are all cut up. They're probably gonna recommend all 4 because then these will be 2 years, 3 years newer than the other ones, but.
Yeah, I might even share the tire, but I think I might have damaged the front.
Oh.
It hit a pothole so hard that the tire blowing out.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah. Yeah, the outer side of the tire is kind of worn, like more than the other, so I'm gonna guess you have an alignment issue too. Just so you know. Don't want you to buy brand new tires and wax them in a couple thousand miles, you know.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Busy day?
No, you're actually my first one of the day.
Really?
Sundays have been kind of slower lately.
Yeah, it's supposed to have a lot of traffic. Just
That, and it's just so damn nice out. Summer, it just starts cooking everything. Alright, turn this off, and then we will figure the rest out. Pulling into Discount Tire Greyhawk on a Sunday. I love it. There's no one here to get in my way or me to get in their way. Good old Greyhawk headquarters. Why do they have the cones blocking the entire driveway? Like, you can't drive through here. It's so annoying. Well, hopefully I don't have to take any cones down or move them, but we will see. All right, let's make sure. Did I change myself to destination arrival? Thought I did, okay. Good old tow book. Ooh. Damn, that shit's booked. Holy shit, the tire's like, I don't even know. Like, what do you even call that? It's like flipped inside out. Oh, come on, what are we stuck on? Back side of the dust shield. Gotta remember to send a picture of where I'm leaving the key for the customer because I told him I would, because he did not want to come down here tomorrow morning. Well, he would have had to meet me here right now too, so he didn't want to do that. He wants the key left on top of the tire. Normal practice, but usually prefer when the customer comes and they leave it somewhere, but you know, dealing with a certain clientele that just want the easiest route, which I appreciate too. But now let me move that before it becomes a problem. There we go. Going down. And yes, for the people that know how to get these things into neutral without starting them, you have to jack the car up and take a pin out of the transmission or some shit, but I'm not doing that. I've done it once and I'll never do it again. The only time I did it that time was because it was a very good customer of ours and he got rid of that car directly after getting that fixed. Or getting it fixed that time because of that issue. I just remember his exact words were, "What the fuck's with that stupid shit? Why would they do that?" I'm like, your guess is as good as mine. BMW just assumes that their cars aren't going to break for some reason. Which, not saying anything about BMW specifically. All cars break at some point, you know. You can only run them ragged for so long with zero maintenance. All right. Hello? And now this thing doesn't want to start? Are you kidding me? What? That's actually crazy. Are you serious right now? It seems like it's a battery issue. Oh man, after I was just talking all that shit about them not going into neutral when they don't start. That's fucking crazy. I've never had that happen. Car starts at pickup and won't restart at the drop-off. Oh man. He's got Washington plates, so maybe he only comes down here for the summer and had the battery on a trickle charger or something. And the battery had just enough. I don't fucking know. That's incredible though. Let's see. I didn't bill him for a jump start, obviously, because I didn't know I was going to need it. So this is extra unfortunate. Ay, ay, ay. What a fucking... I don't even know. Of course, someone else just pulled into the parking lot. Love that. Maybe that's my customer. That'd be great if it was. Kind of funny, because he's gonna be like, why is my hood open? Yeah, battery's only got 10.5. Oh, it is not my customer. They're quite obviously not open, so I don't know where she's going. Let's see. It still almost didn't start. What the fuck? Fucking BMWs. Okay. I'm just glad it did start though. Fuck me. That would have been a whole other thing. Trying to get this thing off and into a spot. Would have had to like get the tow hook out of it, put it on the front bumper, winch it up a little more, and then skate it down. That'd be a whole fucking thing. So I'm glad I got away with just a jump start to get it off my truck. But now when they come to start it tomorrow, they're gonna have to do the same thing, and I don't know if Discount Tire usually has jump boxes. 10.5, you might be able to get it with another car, but you're gonna use a customer's car? Probably not, hopefully not. You're gonna use a personal car? Probably not. Unless the manager's feeling extra fucking nice. Let's roll the window up before we shut it off, obviously. Man. Definitely let him know when I text him with the key location where, or the jump start thing. That's crazy. Okay. Let's lock it up. Get our drop-off picture first. And then take a picture of where we leave the key. I'm gonna leave that right there. By the time this video comes out, this will be long gone, so I'm not worried about it. Alright. Good to go. I'll take another picture just for the hell of it. That's crazy. I gotta get my jump box off the front of the bed too. That's why I don't usually do that. Usually put it right away. Sorry, Jeep lady, no tires for you. Leaving that BMW parked like that across two spots is kind of crazy too. Didn't even think about that till just now. Let's grab this, text our customer, and get the fuck out of here. Alright. So Tesla called with a flat tire, and She said she was on the south side, but I think I just saw her on the north side of the street, so that's cool. As I was saying it. And she's asking for a discount, so you're definitely not getting that now, lady. Sorry. So now I have to make this sketchy ass fucking crossing across Shea Boulevard in the middle of the day. It's one of the worst fucking streets to do this on. And yeah, so that ain't happening. Oh, come on. This traffic is awful. And everybody is so spread out for whatever reason. So everyone likes to go different speeds, rather than just doing the fucking speed limit. Alright, if this car hurries the hell up, I can make it. Oh, maybe not. We'll wait for that car. And then we'll go after this one. Come on. Stupid Toyota Camry. Okay. Yeah. Added a whole 2 minutes to my shit, which doesn't seem like a lot, but you know, time is money. Especially when you're asking for a discount. Alright. Alright. Going to be sure to get extra pictures, because it's a newer Tesla. Hello. Yeah, this is the north side.
I knew I was gonna get it wrong.
No problem. Yeah, like as I was getting over, I saw you and I was like, dang it. All good.
I had a 50-50 chance.
Right. Is it the rear passenger tire?
Yeah.
Okay.
They patched it a couple weeks ago.
Oh.
Yeah.
The patch probably didn't stick or something.
Yeah.
Gotcha. All right. Let me get pictures. Let me get pictures of the VIN and the plate, and then we'll get it out of here.
Okay.
Let's see. Oh, we're blocking these people's driveway. Hope they don't need to leave soon. Don't see any damage, just kind of dirty. Alright. And picture of the flat. Get the plate and the VIN. Let's see. Arizona. And 07. Good to go. You have the key? Okay.
It's in the center there, that key.
Okay. So let me show you what I'm talking about while I tell you about it. So the tire's flat, obviously, but it's still on the rim, or on the wheel rather.
Yeah.
So us driving it up's not gonna hurt at all. I just wanted to show you before we did anything.
Okay.
Yeah, that way I don't have to pull on it, because that can do more damage than just driving it, yeah. All right. Ooh.
You have to move that.
I got it, it's all good. Yeah, thank you. She is significantly shorter than me. Oy. All right, come on, Tesla. Always feels funny saying someone's shorter than me because I feel like I'm really short, but I keep saying that. I'm average height. 5'8". ish. Calipers are like not branded. I wonder if Tesla makes them or if they're from something else. They almost look like Nissan calipers, but going a mile, but it's a heavy Tesla, so we're just gonna put 3 on her. In the car or in my truck? You can sit in the truck, not in the car though.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. First time I've had someone ask if they could do that. I offered that to people during COVID because people were so freaked out. But not these days. Can't get away with that, I don't think. Not gonna find out. Oh, the rotors look so like rough texture. We're only going a mile, like I said, but still gonna do our due diligence because Teslas are fucking heavy. Any EV is, but specifically Teslas. All set? Pick up at Discount Tire in about a mile. All right. And then you have someone coming to pick you up, right? Okay, cool. I just want to make sure. I try not to leave anybody anywhere alone. Yeah. It's one of those things where I've never done it and I don't want to because I don't want to find out what happens when you leave someone somewhere alone. Just always try to be on a level. What I would appreciate people to do, like if my sister had to get a tow or something, or my mom or grandma or something like that. Curb rash all over these things. I think I need to grab lunch after this because it's like 1:30-ish. All right. Yep. Oh. Almost forgot how close the seat is. The other thing I don't like about Teslas is you have to hit the gas to go down the bed. Or I shouldn't say the gas, I guess, but the throttle pedal to go down the bed. Like, it doesn't just start rolling on an incline. I think I talked about that in that Kia video where I towed that electric Kia. That's one thing I liked about that one, was that it moved like a regular car. Come on. This fucking thing. Just gonna go real slow so we don't do anything we're not trying to do. Alright, right about there. That'll do it. She said the key is in here. Oh, here, there it is. I'm just gonna give it to her so we don't leave it in here. Alright. Didn't want you to forget that.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Yep, have a great day. All right. Hopefully she can lock it from her phone, because I didn't lock it. I'm not quite sure how. But we are all set. Second flat tire call of the day. And I think, I've been saying it for ever now, but I think tomorrow or tonight I get my regular truck back finally, so that'll be fucking great. Nothing wrong with the silver truck, it's just not my regular truck. Alright, let's get out of here.